What's up, everyone? It's Josh with Best Mounts TV. Today I'm going to show you guys how to properly put away your ratchet straps. Alright, so normally you got some shit like this where you wound it up however you did. You're going to put this aside. You're going to start with your hook end. Don't need these. Get rid of that. You can start with this side, and you're just gonna wrap this all the way till you get to the end. You kind of want to make sure that it's tight, because at the end we're gonna ratchet it so it stays all tight. You also kind of want to make sure that when you're doing it, it all stays straight. Sure, this might take a couple extra minutes, but it saves you from untangling and or trying to find both parts later on when you need to use the ratchet strap.
So we're just gonna wrap this all the way, nice tight.
Till you have about like this much left. See, this is nice and tight in there. Pretty straight. Probably could have did better. You're gonna take your ratchet part and fold this up. And then from here, you want the side that your the rest of your strap is coming out from. Just set these on top of each other. Open your ratchet strap a little bit. Get it set to where you can loop it through. You're going to take this end of the loop. You're going to loop this through. And then all the way around. And then we're going to go back through one more time. Hold that firm. Ratchet a couple times. And boom, your ratchet straps ain't going anywhere. If you guys like this ratchet video, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you guys do it.